Chevrolet EV journey continues with the first ever all-electric Equinox, a clear example of Chevy's dedication to making EVs accessible to everyone. This is an exciting evolution for Equinox. We're bringing an all-new electric vehicle to the biggest segment in the industry. Our electrified Equinox offers a fun-to-drive experience, large display screens, and elegant design throughout. The Ultium platform enables us to bring the combination of safety, size, value, and power we know customers have come to expect. From sleek, clean lines to the advanced tech, Equinox EV provides plenty of functionality and versatility in an SUV without compromise. The all-new Equinox EV is confident, capable, and made for the everyday.